The Ministry of Health and Medical Services, in anticipation of extensive flooding and limited access to tertiary healthcare facilities in Lautoka, have decided to deploy a FEMAT clinical team to Sigatoka and Rekereke. They will be providing tertiary level care, especially in the area of surgery, emergency surgery, and maternity care. It is advised that if the roads do get blocked, people need to understand that they can access those tertiary services in Rekereke and Sigatoka. Once the floods have receded, both teams in Rekereke and Sigatoka will be repurposed to carry out public health work with the teams that are in both respective stations. Thank you.